Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a headphone cable. First step, locate the break. Identify where the cable is damaged, often near stress points like the jack or areas prone to bending. Second step, gather tools, collect wire strips, electrical tape, and replacement connector if needed. Third step, strip outer insulation. Use wire strippers to carefully remove the outer insulation, exposing the individual wires. Step number 4. Inspect wires. Check for damaged wires, trim and expose fresh wire if needed. Step number 5. Twist and solder. Twist corresponding wires together. Optionally, solder for a secure connection. Step 6. Insulate with tape. Wrap each repaired wire with electrical tape to insulate and protect the connection. Step number 7. Secure strain relief. Ensure any strain relief per connector is securely in place to prevent future damage. Step number 8. Test the repair. Connect headphones to an audio source and test with music to ensure clear sound. Step number 9. Reassemble. If you had to disassemble any parts, put them back together securely. Step number 10. Final inspection. Give the entire cable a final inspection, ensuring all connections are secure and well isolated.